Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you the LED string fairy lights by Ulinek. 40 meter, and on these 40 meters there are 300 LEDs built in with a warm, wide, battery operated string lights and 8 modes. And of course, it's waterproof for indoor or for garden, outdoor, wedding, Christmas tree, birthday party, Valentine's Day. What you like, you can use that, and you do not need the energy supply because you have a battery powered system here. So the only thing you have to do is put in the batteries, and then you can use it anywhere you like. The Ulinek 300 LED string lights of 40 meters will help us to create a unique romantic world as a warm white lighting decoration. The lap distance is 10 centimeters. The dark green cable is less noticeable in the night. It's a wonderful string fairy lights. It will make a beautiful, warm and charming atmosphere on our terrace, shops, doors, windows, balcony, etc. The Ulinek 300 LED fairy rope lights provides 8 modes to choose. We can choose combination. We can choose in waves, sequential, Slo-glo, clashing, flashing, slow fade, twinkle and flash, and steady on. It's allowing us to quickly switch between the modes for the desired light setting for any occasions. Besides, we can turn it on and off. The timer function by long press the power button for 3 seconds. The timer function are possible. The light will turn on in time sequence of 6 hours and 18 hours off over each 24-hour period. So you can switch it off automatically if you've forgotten that by yourself. That's good. The Ulinek LED string lights utilize 90% less energy and have 90% fewer chemical emissions than others. Never overheating and always safe to touch. Because the only thing you have to need is 3 times AA batteries installed and everything is done. The LED string lights, battery operated, will never be limited by the plug. Of course, if you have a power supply, you can use that, okay? But for this, you will need a transformator. If you have it, you can plug it in there. So you can make out of this battery-powered fairy light and plug operation system. That's possible. But you will need a transformator with approximately 4.5 voltage or 4 or 5 voltage, then it will work without the batteries, of course. But the main feature here is we will need a battery system so we can use it anywhere, anytime as we like. And we can make a lot of with it. We are not limited by the plug, and we could fix them wherever we want to make a splendid decoration for our festivals. And you can make it everywhere because the IP44 wide application. We add the light and the romance to every event with our battery operated LED string lights here. The color blue and white will light up the whole street to express our joy because it's available in blue or in warm yellow as you can see here. This very light is IP44, is perfect for both indoor and outdoor usage, such as weddings, Christmas decorations, Halloween, Easter, custom parties, home parties, and more and more. It's cool because it's not so big bright if you're using the batteries. It's a romantic feeling there with that nice LED strings here. But if you go to energy supply by using a transformator, there will be more light for you if you like, okay? But you can choose by your own. The main feature is the battery powered system, and this is a romantic feeling here, okay? And Ulinek is the professional brand of LED light and decorations for more than 5 years. They fully understand the needs for us customers for decoration of Christmas, New Year, wedding, etc. Every year, the Ulinek brand develops new products and continuously enrich the kind of fairy light for us customers. The warm white, multicolored gold with a dark, transparent wire in 10, 25, 40, 50, and 100 meters. The 13 lights, the window lights, the LED illuminous wrath, everything is possible at this brand, and they make really good product, I think, because it's not the first fairy light I tested here, and every Ulinek product was good so far, really good, and this is good too. Okay, this is good too. If you need no power supply by using the wire, if you need a battery supply, then choose this kind of LED string fairy lights here, for example. That's really cool because it's easy, plug and play. You do not have to need a power supply by 230 voltage net power or others. You can use 3AA batteries, get them in position, and then have fun with it. And it's IP44, so you can use it outdoor, in the rain or no problem, in the snow, no problem. Everything is possible because it is waterproof IP44. This is the really good LED string fairy lights by Ulinek in 40 meter, 300 LEDs in warm white. The battery operated string lights comes with 8 modes. It is waterproof. It's for indoor or for your garden, for outdoor, for wedding, for Christmas trees, for birthday party, Valentine's, or as you like. That's really cool. And thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback. And I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.